Crude oil and natural gas both have respected the levels beautifully as we expected and discussed in our analysis that a retracement in oil can be seen till towards 78.4, 78.5 levels precisely. Achieving the levels, it has bounced back, and likewise with natural gas at 2.65. Now trading with a slight bullish bias. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? Trading crude oil and natural gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that also, and please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Every comment, every like and share, subscribe is a great motivation for me. Do support the effort. Let's start. First we look into oil followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end. Also, you can remain updated with the market analysis by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at the oil's movement, you will find so far taking the supported 78.5 levels, we have seen oil retracing. But look at this, lower highs are seen. Lower highs, higher lows here on the hourly chart. This is a zone of consolidation. We have to be careful in between these levels, that is 79.8, 78.5. This is a good swing zone. We have to remain careful here. Also remember, see, the prices are divergent from the moving average. It may try to converge, which makes 79.2 and 78.8 levels as a great support. Stochastic is overbought, but the MACD is crossing over after a good bearish run. Let's see if it continues with the upward move and continues with the second leg of this formation swing. RSI flat and near to top. Coming to 2 hour chart. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Yes, it is forming a good flag here. Let it come out of this flag formation, and definitely it will try to continue with the further movement, and the movement is going to be stronger enough, and hence one can buy here at 79.8 and expect a rise here. See the stochastic rising MACD willing to converge crossover for a buy entry. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, see, though it has created a very good base, you should see this very strong base is created. However, lower highs are seen. I will wait for the next candle. Once the next candle continues, definitely I'll observe how it behaves. Now see, first base is created here, and this time it is created at slightly higher levels, indicating increasing bullishness here. I will wait for the breakout, and certainly oil will fly high. Yes, it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average beautifully. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to converge. It is still trading bearish. Remember the fact, RSI has come out of the overbought zone, trading comfortable. On the 4 hour charts, likewise, similar observation is seen here, and you can see it is more of consolidation mode. You can also see taking the support from the 20 period moving average here also. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD on the 4 hour charts is still bearish. It has crossed over, and it has crossed over at a slightly higher levels. It may continue with the down mode. RSI looking up. Coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts also, it is important to note that higher highs, higher lows, lower highs are observed. More of consolidation. Any breakout above 79.8, certainly one must stay long. We can look forward to 80.4, and this time I look forward to 81, 82 levels. This is the zone which I will be looking forward to if it stays above 80, above 79.8 and 80.4 zone. Now see, previous two candles having long tails on the upside indicating bullishness. Also the closure of the previous candle at high indicates increasing bullishness here. So the price is not willing to stay bearish, and we can see an up move. However, the only concern point which I am having, look at the divergence from the moving average, but note that the moving averages have just crossed over. It is trying to trade with divergence. Either one thing it could try to do, wait for the moving average to lift up, which means it can continue with the upward move, or slightly sideways move such that the moving average come up, and then it may try to achieve this levels. However, right now the divergence is too much and it calls for a pullback. Stochastic is also overbought here. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish here, and if you look at the RSI, this is also overbought. Hence, yes, it is slightly overbought on the daily charts. However, remember, it has the potential for an up move. Remember this fact. Hence, one can buy here at 79.8, wait for 80.4 to be breached, and beyond that, just close your eyes, stay long. We are looking at 81, 82 zone today or by tomorrow. Hence, take your positions accordingly. At the same time, only sell entry now I will recommend to is at 79 levels. And yes, remember, if you are taking a sell entry at 79, this is still a risky trade. You have to be cautious of 78.8, 78.5 levels. This is where it is going to see the maximum support. Below that, a sharper drop can be expected. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed to natural gas, those who want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you become a profitable and independent trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to me again for details. Now look at natural gas on the hourly chart. See, after the drop, it has been consolidating here. Now you can see moving averages have crossed over. This is trading with the bearish bias. Hence, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.65 levels, below which you can expect a further drop. But 2.65 is certainly a good resistance zone. Now look, the resistance seen here at 2.76 was very strong. Yesterday also we discussed, and precisely it has reversed from the same levels, and since then we are looking at lower lows. Lower lows today means it might get the support. Now see, 2.62 and 2.6 is the strongest support for natural gas today. Only and only if you see further drop below 2.6, you can say that net gas has turned bearish. So yes, you can sell here at 2.66 levels today, or rather I'll say 2.65 levels today. Stochastic is flat. MACD, now see, MACD is willing to go for a buy entry here. It can try to trade with slight bullish bias. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, see, drop, retracement. Now it is trying to retrace because see, the drop is sharper and it has come out of the box here. So possibly once you see it trading about 2.7, 2.7 is a good resistance from the 20 and 50 period moving average. You can buy here at 2.7, but then expect the median of this, which is almost at 2.72, 2.73 zone, first resistance, and then 2.7576 as the next resistance. Also, if you observe how it has behaved is, see, rise, consolidation, and again a breakout will bring more bullishness here. Stochastic is almost flat and at comfortable levels. MACD has seen first wave, second wave here, and now the red side of the wave is done. Possibly it could try to converge, means possible or possibility of a lifting the prices exists. RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here, more of consolidation here. Only bearishness is seen if you see it trading below 2.65. Stochastic has dropped. MACD divergent and bearish. It may try to converge a bit. RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation here. See, symmetrical formation here. It has completed the journey till here. The next leg of drop could try to bring it till towards 2.6 or below levels. Yes, it has formed a top here and it is trying to reverse. We will wait for 2.65 to be breached on the downside for further bearish movement. Stochastic has dropped. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI has also been trading comfortably, neither overbought nor oversold. Now coming to the daily. On the daily chart, it is evident that the price is not willing to stay above 2.76, almost forming symmetry here. Symmetrical formation possibly calls for a higher lows, higher highs. Now, if you see it trading below 2.65, you can expect that we are going to look at 2.6 levels, and in fact 2.5855 levels can be also expected. Be careful there. Multiple candles getting the resistance at the same levels indicates that the push could be seen on the downside, and hence I will recommend you to sell at 2.65. Expect a drop below these levels till towards 2.6, 2.58 levels, and in fact it can drop below 2.58 also. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is flat. So buy at 2.76, and in fact you can sell here at 2.65 levels. For this 1.1 cents we are not going to take any trade. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Again, reach out to me for more details. And yes, always remember, stop loss is your friend, and hence whenever you put a trade, you should put a stop loss there. Let it eat, hardly matters. See, if you have a win ratio of risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3, let's say if you are trading with that ratio, even if you are getting 3 out of 4 stop losses hit, still you will be break even if you are having a risk reward ratio of 1 is to 3. If you are having a risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2, even if you are getting the stop losses hit twice out of 3 signals, still you are profitable, and hence take your trades accordingly. See you again before the US session. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.